Hi, I'm Terry Kimball and I'm here with the Chandler Chamber, and we are really excited to bring this brand new video series to you regarding answering all your questions regarding health insurance and healthcare plan options. Today I have with me Kevin Michaels with Michaels and Associates. Kevin, thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome.
So you basically have two options?
No, there's actually a third option, but it's a non-insurance option, and they're called healthcare sharing. Healthcare sharing is a great alternative to the insurance marketplace, but it's not right for everybody. Being a non-insurance alternative, it's something that they need to take a serious look at and understand that pre-existing conditions are not covered. They don't cover pre-existing conditions whatsoever, but it's a way to integrate and maybe manage your health plans.